Welcome to your IELTS vocabulary practice. You'll hear 25 questions. Each question comes with 4 options. Take your time, pause whenever you like, and try to choose your answer before the correct one is shown. Enjoy your quiz. Question 1. What is the meaning of exhibit? Option A. Hide something from public view intentionally. Option B. Store something before deciding to display it. Option C. Display something publicly for people to see. Option D. Remove something from public display permanently. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of exhibit is display something publicly for people to see. Example: the Health Museum agreed to exhibit a collection of historical medical tools to educate visitors about advances in care. Question 2. What is the meaning of intangible? Option A. Physical and easy to handle or measure. Option B. Not physical and unable to be touched. Option C. Visible and clearly defined in appearance. Option D. Concrete and straightforward to quantify. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of intangible is not physical and unable to be touched. Example: the intangible benefits of community health programs, such as trust and social cohesion, are just as important as measurable outcomes. Question 3. What is the meaning of confront? Option A. Face a difficult situation or person directly. Option B. Ignore a problem in hopes it resolves itself. Option C. Avoid a difficult situation by stepping away. Option D. Delay addressing a situation until it worsens. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of confront is face a difficult situation or person directly. Example: she decided to confront the issue directly rather than let it continue to affect the team's working relationship. Question 4. What is the meaning of specialize? Option A. To evaluate all areas without specializing. Option B. To observe all areas without focusing. Option C. To focus on a specific area of expertise. Option D. To spread effort equally across all areas. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of specialize is to focus on a specific area of expertise. Example: she chose to specialize in pediatric nutrition so she could have the greatest possible impact on children's early health. Question 5. What is the meaning of fleet? Option A. A collection of vehicles in storage. Option B. A temporary gathering of vehicles. Option C. A single specialized vehicle. Option D. A group of vehicles or ships. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of fleet is a group of vehicles or ships. Example: the health authority operated a fleet of mobile clinics to bring essential services to remote rural communities. Question 6. What is the meaning of crew? Option A. Single individual completing a task alone. Option B. Observer watching a group without participating. Option C. Group of people working together on a task. Option D. Manager overseeing a group from a distance. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of crew is group of people working together on a task. Example: the dedicated crew of nurses and support staff kept the emergency department running smoothly and safely throughout the night shift. Question 7. What is the meaning of couple? Option A. Large number of related things grouped together. Option B. Single individual standing without a partner. Option C. Two people or things linked together. Option D. small group of 3 or more connected people. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of couple is 2 people or things linked together. Example: the couple attended the prenatal nutrition workshop together to prepare for a healthy and well-supported pregnancy journey. Question 8. What is the meaning of endorse? Option A, to officially support or recommend. Option B, to observe without offering any view. Option C, to question and raise doubts about. Option D, to officially oppose and reject firmly. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of endorse is to officially support or recommend. Example: several respected health professionals agreed to endorse the campaign promoting daily physical activity for all ages. Question 9. What is the meaning of rely? Option A, to evaluate without making any connection. Option B, to depend on with confidence and trust. Option C, to avoid depending on entirely. Option D, to observe without depending on anything. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of rely is to depend on with confidence and trust. Example: she learned to rely on her care team for guidance while also trusting her own instincts about her body's needs. Question 10. What is the meaning of ponder? Option A, act immediately without any prior thought. Option B, describe a situation without forming any view. Option C, avoid thinking about difficult or complex matters. Option D, think carefully and deeply about something. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of ponder is think carefully and deeply about something. Example: she took a quiet moment to ponder the best way to explain the diagnosis in terms the patient could fully understand. Question 11. What is the meaning of economy? Option A, system of environmental conservation. Option B, system of governance and political power. Option C, system of production and resource management. Option D, system of education and knowledge sharing. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of economy is system of production and resource management. Example: a healthy economy depends on a healthy population, which makes investing in public health a wise national priority. Question 12. What is the meaning of thirst? Option A, desire or need for food to eat. Option B, desire or need for liquid to drink. Option C, craving for warmth after exposure to cold. Option D, need for rest after prolonged physical effort. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of thirst is desire or need for liquid to drink. Example: persistent thirst can be an early indicator of dehydration or a sign that blood sugar levels need to be assessed. Question 13. What is the meaning of disposition? Option A, temporary mood experienced on a single occasion. Option B, opinion formed about a specific situation. Option C, reaction produced in response to external events. Option D, person's natural tendency or character. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of disposition is person's natural tendency or character. Example: her cheerful disposition made every patient feel at ease and helped the clinic maintain a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Question 14. What is the meaning of framework? Option A, a temporary measure without any structure. Option B, a basic system providing structure. Option C, a collection of unrelated and random ideas. Option D, a complete and fully detailed final plan. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of framework is a basic system providing structure. Example: the new public health framework gave communities a clear and practical guide for improving local wellness outcomes. Question 15. What is the meaning of commence? Option A. Delay the beginning of a planned activity. Option B. Conclude an activity that has been completed. Option C. Pause an ongoing process temporarily. Option D. Begin or start an activity or process. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of commence is begin or start an activity or process. Example: the ceremony will commence promptly at 9 in the morning, so all guests were asked to arrive a little early. Question 16. What is the meaning of hatred? Option A. Intense and persistent feeling of dislike. Option B. Brief moment of frustration that quickly passes. Option C. Mild feeling of discomfort around someone. Option D. Strong and genuine feeling of affection. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of hatred is intense and persistent feeling of dislike. Example: the peace-building program worked to address deep-rooted hatred between communities by creating shared health and well-being initiatives. Question 17. What is the meaning of qualitative? Option A. Relating to quantity or numerical measurement. Option B. Relating to quality or descriptive characteristics. Option C. Associated with neither quality nor quantity. Option D. Connected to both quality and quantity equally. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of qualitative is relating to quality or descriptive characteristics. Example: the qualitative feedback from patients revealed important emotional aspects of their experience that numbers alone could not capture. Question 18. What is the meaning of communication? Option A. Technique for encoding messages in secret form. Option B. Process of sharing information between people. Option C. System for storing data in a secure location. Option D. Method for translating text into other languages. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of communication is process of sharing information between people. Example: effective communication between doctors and patients leads to better health outcomes and greater trust in the care process. Question 19. What is the meaning of wagon? Option A. Two-wheeled vehicle pulled by a single animal. Option B. Vehicle with four wheels pulled by animals or engine. Option C. Flat vehicle used to transport goods on rails. Option D. Motorized vehicle used to carry passengers only. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of wagon is vehicle with four wheels pulled by animals or engine. Example: the farmer loaded the wagon with fresh produce and headed toward the market at the edge of the village each morning. Question 20. What is the meaning of session? Option A. An observation made without participation. Option B. A meeting or period for an activity. Option C. A brief and casual unplanned gathering. Option D. A permanent and unchanging arrangement. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of session is a meeting or period for an activity. Example: each weekly therapy session gave her a safe and structured space to process her feelings and build healthier coping strategies. Question 21. What is the meaning of purse? Option A. Large bag for carrying personal belongings. Option B, small bag for carrying money. Option C, flat wallet used for storing cards only. Option D, rigid case used for carrying documents. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of purse is small bag for carrying money. Example, she searched her purse for the prescription, but then remembered she had left it on the clinic counter by mistake. Question 22. What is the meaning of regulation? Option A, personal preference with no official standing. Option B, suggestion offered without any binding authority. Option C, rule controlling behavior or a process. Option D, temporary guideline ending without formal review. Correct answer, option C. The correct meaning of regulation is rule controlling behavior or a process. Example, the new data protection regulation required all health facilities to review how patient information was stored and shared. Question 23. What is the meaning of glitter? Option A, to sparkle with many small flashes. Option B, to remain entirely dark and without light. Option C, to fade slowly and lose all brightness. Option D, to emit a single large and steady light. Correct answer, option A. The correct meaning of glitter is to sparkle with many small flashes. Example, the children's laughter and the glitter of handmade decorations made the hospital ward feel festive and joyful. Question 24. What is the meaning of discourse? Option A, casual conversation without any clear subject. Option B, brief exchange with no lasting significance. Option C, private message sent to a single individual. Option D, formal discussion or written communication. Correct answer, option D. The correct meaning of discourse is formal discussion or written communication. Example, the academic discourse around preventive health has shifted significantly toward addressing social and environmental determinants of disease. Question 25. What is the meaning of consumption? Option A, method of transporting goods to a destination. Option B, process of using up goods or resources. Option C, process of producing goods for a market. Option D, act of storing goods for future distribution. Correct answer, option B. The correct meaning of consumption is process of using up goods or resources. Example, reducing the consumption of processed foods and sugary drinks is a key step toward improving long-term community health. This is the end of part 93. See you in the next quiz.